Hi everyone. Now this is a particular question on the compound interest. I hope everyone knows the general method that amount is equal to principal plus 1 upon rate by 100 to the power t, right? But अगर मैं thrice कर दूँ नंबर भी इतने अच्छे नहीं है, it will take some time even with the calculator, right? So कभी भी अगर calculation दिखे guys, try to use this particular method. It becomes very handy. That is digit sum. What is the digit sum? Adding digits repeatedly till you get a single digit number. If I say here 2 3 4 2 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 4 9 9 plus 2 11 11 का फिर से 1 और 1 ऐड करो, that is 2. So the digit sum will be 2. A simpler way to go about the digit sum अगर numbers बड़े हो, maximum digit sum is 9 because 9 के बाद 10 आ जाता है, 10 का digit sum फिर से 1. Cancel out 9. So if I can see here 4 and 3 7 and this 2 9 cancels out, what remains is 2. ठीक है, so digit sum would be 2 in this case. So very simple thing. Here you can see 9 cancels out, 8 and 1 cancels out, 7 and 2 cancels out, 6 3 5 4 all cancels out. That means digit sum has to be 9. Now what's the use of this? कभी भी अगर लंबे चौड़े कैलकुलेशंस है, रैपिड चेकिंग ऑफ कैलकुलेशन, दिस मेथड इज वेरी मच यूजफुल. ठीक है, नाउ यू मस्ट बी नोइंग in this particular question a simple thing. If I say this is 18% but I'm just taking an example, 20% increase, कहीं पे भी अगर 20% increase हो, what we need to do basically we multiplied by 1.2, right? अगर मैं बोलूँ कहीं पे 10% increase हो, what we do, we multiply it with 1.1 because it's 110%, 110 by 100 it would be 1.1. If I say 10% decrease, I'll multiply it with 0.9 because अभी 90% हो गया. So that is a simple thing. Now look at this particular question. Principal is asking 18% increase is 1.18 दो बार because he is asking 2 years and the amount he will be getting is 6962. Just go for the digit sum. We'll try to use this. What is the digit sum of it? Just ignore the points. 8 and 1 gone, remains is 1. 8 and 1 9 gone, remaining is 1. So basically principal into 1, and what is the digit sum over here? 9 gone, 6 and a 6 12, 12 and 2 14, 14 का digit sum is 5. So finally my expression boils down to p into 1 equal to 5. Now to get LHS equal to RHS, what should be principal का digit sum? Principal का digit sum has to be 5, right? तो मेरा आंसर वही होगा जिसका digit sum 5 आएगा. So look at the options. Can my first option be the answer? 4 and 2 digit sum is 6. No, I am looking for 5. 4 and 4 8. No. 4 and 5 9. No. Last has to be the correct answer. Okay. So I hope this is clear. A very easy and a very beautiful thing. If I just take one more question. Look at this. If the income of a man is increased by 25%, तो क्या होगा ये? And income after 3 years is given as 36250. Income in the first year is asking, let it be X. Tell me what would be the factor? Increase by 25%, 1.25 into 45% increase, 1.45 into decrease by 20%, 0.8. Right? Now just look at the digit sum of it. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 5 plus 2 7, 7 and 1 8. Just ignore the points. ये कितना होगा? 5 and 4 9 gone, that is 1 and this is 8. 8 का 64 का digit sum is 1. तो basically हुआ x into 1. Now look at the right hand side. 6 and 3 gone, this is 7. तो ये 7 आना चाहिए. So आपका आंसर वही होगा जिसका digit sum 7 आएगा. So which option? First option gives me 7, second option rejected, third rejected, आखिरी का 1 है ये भी rejected. First answer has to be the correct one, right? Let's look one more question. So कभी भी calculation आपको दिखे, try to think of digit sum. Believe me, it's a savior sometimes. Look at this particular question. I know I can do it, कुछ तो लगेगा इसमें, right? But एक simple सा चीज़ है, digit sum देखो. 173 का 37 का digit sum क्या होगा? 7 and 3 10. 10 का डिजिट सम आएगा 1. सो ये हुआ बेसिकली 1 by 1. पॉइंट इग्नोर करो, ये भी हुआ 1 by 1. 1 by 1 कितने बार ऐसा है? आएगा 9 टाइम्स. सो बेसिकली व्हाट वुड बी द डिजिट सम ऑफ माय एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन? 1 1 1 एडेड 9 टाइम्स. माय आंसर हैज टू लुक समथिंग 9. Now look which option gives me digit sum as 9. 4 and 4 8, 8 and 3 11, 11 का 2, फर्स्ट इज गॉन. यहाँ पे क्या होगा 3 3 3 9 उड़ा दो, ये 3 बचा, नो 3 3 3, yes this can be the answer. ये 9 gone, 3 3 6, even this cannot be the answer. The correct answer has to be C. I hope it is clear guys. Thank you very much.